Welcome to Full On Bar. In this video, we explore how to automate approvals using Info-Ion workflows, the structured, rules-driven alternative to manual approval chains that keeps your ERP processes moving. We'll cover use cases, key components, step-by-step configuration, escalation management, and best practices. Let's dive in. In a competitive ERP environment, manual approval chains are a silent productivity killer. Purchase orders waiting in inboxes, invoices stalling at department heads, customer credit requests stuck in email threads. These delays accumulate into real business cost. Info-Ion workflows offer a structured alternative, automated routing, escalation, and approval that keeps your processes moving. ION stands for Intelligent Open Network. It's the integration and workflow middleware within InfoOS that connects applications like LN via business object documents. ION Workflow is a component of Info-Ion that lets you model, standardize, and automate business processes. Workflows are defined in ION Desk and triggered by board events published from Info-LN sessions. There are four main types. Approval workflows that route documents to approvers in sequence or parallel. Task workflows that assign work items and track completion. Escalation workflows that automatically elevate to higher authority when SLAs are missed. And event monitors that trigger alerts based on data conditions. Let's look at three common use cases. First, purchase order approval. Any PO above a defined monetary threshold requires manager approval before release. ION intercepts the purchase order board and routes it to the approver. Second, sales order credit check. When a customer's outstanding balance exceeds their credit limit, the order routes to finance for manual override. Third, invoice approval with three-way match. Vendor invoices that fail the PO to goods receipt to invoice match are held in an exception state and routed to AP managers. 5 key ION components work together. ION Connect is the message bus handling all board routing between LN and connected applications. ION Desk is the browser-based configuration console where you author document flows and workflow definitions. Event management watches for exceptions, delays, threshold breaches, and missed SLAs. Informing.lay provides the user-facing task inbox where approvers act on documents with drill back into LN sessions. And the approval matrix maps approval requirements to roles, amounts, or cost centers for dynamic routing. Here's the configuration walkthrough. Step 1. Define the document flow. Open ION Desk. Navigate to connect, then document flows. Locate or create the flow for the purchase order board. Add a workflow step that intercepts the sync board when the PO status changes to pending approval. Step 2. Create the workflow definition. Navigate to workflow definitions and create a new definition with a custom namespace prefix. Never use LN_, as Info standard content uses this prefix and upgrades may overwrite your work. Step 3. Configure the approval matrix. Use the approval matrix to define routing logic based on amount ranges, department codes, or cost centers. Changing authorities later requires only a matrix update, no workflow redeployment needed. Step 4. Activate and test. Link the workflow via an activation policy and activate it. Create a test PO meeting the trigger criteria, verify the Ming.lay task appears, check drillback works, and monitor execution in ION OneView. ION Workflow supports automatic escalation when an approver fails to act within a defined window. You can configure reminders to nudge the approver, escalation to the approver's manager, or auto-resolution for low-risk documents. This transforms ION Workflow from a passive routing engine into an active governance tool that ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Follow these best practices for Ion workflows. Always copy and rename standard LN content. Never edit LN_definitions directly. Keep trigger conditions specific to avoid approver fatigue. Use the approval matrix for dynamic routing instead of hard-coding user IDs. Always test in a non-production tenant before going live. Monitor Ion OneView backlogs during the first weeks after go-live. And document every custom workflow with its business justification, trigger logic, and owner. That wraps up our guide to automating approvals with Infor Ion workflows. With the right configuration, you can eliminate manual approval bottlenecks and bring structured governance to your ERP processes. Visit fullomban.com for more tutorials. Explore the FOB repository, FOB training, and FOB certification portals. Follow us on LinkedIn, YouTube, and Instagram. Training batches for 2026 and 2027 are now open. Thank you for watching.